Welcome back to Japanese Food Lab. I'm Tomoko Imadeta and thanks for participating our poll to select today's ingredient. Out of 4 choices, the winner was tofu.
Tofu is a staple in Japanese people's meals. We often refer tofu as a meat from the field for its high protein content. Tofu is made from ground soybeans, and typically you can pick from soft kind called kinugoshi or firm kind called momen. The softer one has higher water content and it is suited to eat as cold tofu called hiyayakko for its silky texture, while the firm one is easier for cooking in dishes like tofu steak and such. Today we are using firm momen tofu to cook a light summer dish, a tofu sandwich. It sounds a bit boring, but it will be full of flavor and then filling. The first thing to do is to get rid of the excess water in tofu. First, wrap the tofu in paper towel, then put it in a plate or tray and put some weight on it. Do this about 2 hours before using tofu. You can keep it in the fridge on a hot summer day. Getting rid of excess water makes it easier to cook on the stove, and a firmer texture enhances the flavor of soy. You can do this on both soft and firm tofu. For sandwich, we are going to make 2 kinds of spread, one with soy sauce. I'm using vegan mayonnaise today because I wanted to make this dish vegan, but you can use any mayonnaise you have. Just mix them together well in a small bowl. And the other with Yuzu kosho paste. Yuzu kosho is fermented Yuzu citrus peel and then chili peppers. It's quite salty as is, but it gives a nice kick to dishes. If you are not a spicy fan, just use a little less. Spread soy sauce mayonnaise on one side of tofu and then grill the mayonnaise side down in a pan. No need to oil the pan. Meanwhile, put the soy sauce mayonnaise on top of tofu while one side is cooking. After a few minutes, flip it over and then cook the other side. When you are finished, take tofu out of the pan and then put them aside. Lightly toast your favorite sandwich bread and then spread Yuzu kosho mayonnaise to your liking. Place lettuce, sliced cucumber, and then radish on one piece of toast. Then put grilled tofu on top, and then there you go. You have light and delicious sandwich. We enjoy cooking with you, and then even more, we love seeing you cooking our recipe in your kitchen. So please share your Japanese cooking on social media and let us know what you think.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.